So hi guys, you're watching Next Tech. In this video, we are going to give you an overview of the DARAZ Seller Central account. So if you guys are interested in freelancing, digital marketing, and online earning, please subscribe to my channel. Let's move on to video. So this is the basic interface of the DARAZ Seller Central account. So this is a quite easy procedure of creating the DARAZ account. So it's not that difficult. So first of all, there is first option of product management. There is a lot of options in this tab. Means there are manage product, add product, media center, manage images. Means if you have uploaded your product, you can manage your product from here. So you can manage anything about your product. Means if you want to add your product, you can also add your product from here. And also there is a media center and manage images, bulk add, edit, produce. Means everything about your product you can manage it from here. This is not quite difficult. We are going to learn about this product management tab in the next video in detail, inshallah. So for this video, this is a short video just for some overview of the Seller Central. So detailed videos of each and every tab is going to come soon. So sorry for this. I think it's an internet connection problem. It's taking too long. Sorry for distortion. So let's continue our video. So the next option is fulfillment by DARAZ option. Means if you want DARAZ to handle all your products and everything, so this is the option. And third option is order management. Mean if you want to manage your order yourself, then this is the option. This is going to help you manage. And there is an option of campaigns. Means as you can see, these are available campaign, registered campaign, and invisible campaigns. If a campaign is running, means about PPC campaign, right? So this is option. And seller advice, finance support. This is a quite interesting option. Support means if you are not satisfied with the DARAZ, you can open a case study from here. You can ask your question, queries, and the DARAZ team will reply you within 24 hours, right? And this is option of account settings, seller documents, and everything you want. So on and these are home. So these campaigns are still not in running. So inshallah in one of our videos in the coming next we are going to learn that how we can create DARAZ PPC campaign, and we're going to run a campaign. So as I said, it is just an overview of the DARAZ Seller Central. Inshallah detailed videos are going to come soon. So till then, inshallah we are going to meet in the next videos.